Take a ride in the 2015 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury.